Hey friends, so I am showing you this cool trash can by Style. It is a tabletop trash can that you can have on your craft room table or your dining room table, wherever it is that you actually create, to kind of collect all of the trash that you have while crafting. Today I'm going to be adding a cute decal to the front of mine, and it is a rainbow with the words "Make Pretty Things." And you can find the SVG cut file on CraftyLifeMom.com's resource library. It's a free SVG file that you can cut out using your Cricut or your Silhouette. Today I'm using the Cricut Joy to cut out this decal, and I am using a variety of colors to assemble my rainbow. And basically I'm just applying it here. And you can see, look how cute this looks on the front of this little cute trash can. And it's perfect for holding all of your trash while you create. I also want to kind of show you how the trash can works because it is two parts. So here is a look at the trash can without a trash bag in it. And you can actually find the trash bags for this in the links down below. But you see here, this is the main compartment, and it's these little miniature trash bags. You can get them in a variety of sizes and colors. They kind of remind me of the trash bags for the dogs, you know, when you're walking them, but I'm sure that those will work just as well. So anyways, take one bag and put it over the black compartment, and then just slip over the cover top into place, and it will just kind of stay there, and fill it up with all of your trash scraps. I love it for when I'm weeding vinyl. I can take the vinyl scraps and put it in here, and even the transfer sheets that I no longer am using, you can put them in there as well. So super cute, super adorable, and I know I'll be leaving this out all the time on my crafting table to have ready and available. Hope you enjoyed this DIY and SVG cut file. I will see you guys next time. Bye.